G'day everyone, Steve here, 10th of May. And overnight, in the last 4 hours actually, Bitcoin has bottomed out into the logarithmic bottom channel. Now, we got here a bit quicker than we probably expected, but that's what we've been talking about for the last week or so, Bitcoin reaching this area. Now that it's reached this area, what's next? On the alley, you can see the whales here dumping, and then more whales coming in and dumping further, pushing it down to this strong support level down here between $31,000 and $29,000. So a lot of money coming in at this level to turn Bitcoin around. Let's have a look at the 4 hourly. And on the 4 hourly, we can see that we've dipped into the channel, almost to the mid of the channel. And in the last hour or so, we can see Bitcoin has come back with some bullish momentum, but then the bears have dragged it back down here, and we're sitting at $31,195 at the moment. And on the daily, we can see yesterday's big dump down to the channel. And if we have a look at the VMC, we can see the RSI has gone green, sitting down at 25. The stochastics at about 1. This blue momentum wave is way down. Lots of money coming in. But what might be the most important indicator of all is this yellow wave here, which is the price to volume indicator, which is not ready yet to pass the zero line. So while we've got low RSI, low stochastic, large momentum wave, we still haven't got the price to volume indicator crossing the zero line yet. Now, it looks like this could be coming in the next 4 hours. Let's have a look at the weekly. And on the weekly, we see confirmation similar to what we saw on the daily. And we don't have our price to volume indicator yet ready to come back to turn across the zero level. So if we go back to the hourly, we can see that the money flow indicator has come up here. We can see that the price to volume indicator has crossed the zero line and moving upwards. The RSI is in the green, which is a buy zone. And the stochastic is moving upwards as well, up to 28. And stochastic can get up here to 100. So looks like things are turning, which is exactly what we expected, that once Bitcoin hit this zone, there would be a rebound to the upside. The thing is, will it last? So will Bitcoin now turn this around and start moving to the upside? It might not be as easy as that. Okay, let's jump over to the crypto bubbles. And the crypto bubbles, everyone's in red. GMT token down 16%, Crow down 16%, Shiba down 18%, Luna down 28%. And Luna at 28.2%. And as we said before, with Luna's big exposure to Bitcoin, if Bitcoin's on the down, then Luna's going to be on the down too. So was it a good move for Luna to get into Bitcoin? Let's see what happens with Luna. Phantom down 16.3%. Everything in the red. Fear and Greed, Extreme Fear at 11. Heat map, totally red. You can't get a deeper red heat map than this one. Liquidations are massive, $928 million of liquidations, being $724 million of longs and $190 million of shorts. So who are all these people getting liquidated with longs? Anyway, we'll go back to the charts. And back on our alley, we can see that after 4 hours ago, Bitcoin having dropped into the logarithmic channel, now it's met the resistance, and all the cash that's waiting down here is turning Bitcoin around, and we're getting a positive pump. This is looking good now. Let's not get too excited and see where this goes from here. Is it time to put in a long? Well, that's a decision you'll have to make. But today, potentially shaping up to be what could be a good day after this massive dump. All the time after we get the big dump, we get bang, like a dropping knife. We hit down and bounce back. So is that what we're looking at here today? If we have a bit of a look at what has happened historically when we've dropped into this zone, drop in, bang out, drop in, out, out, out. Bitcoin has not stayed in this channel zone for too long. The longest period was about January 21, where we were in here for about 5 days. But 19th of May, 1 day in and out, 22nd of June, in and out, and 19th of July, in and out. This, though, has been a determined push to the downside, so we could linger around here a bit longer. So we're looking at Bitcoin to come back from here, but will the pushback last? We'll have to keep a close eye on things. But at least it's been really good to see that Bitcoin has dropped into this zone and it has rebounded back out of it again. That's a good sign. So let's keep an eye on Bitcoin and make some decisions as to what we're going to do with our trading now. All right, everybody, well, we'll do another update during the day because it looks like there's going to be a bit of action today, and we'll talk again soon. So it's bye from me. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.